Hello, welcome to another great video. Today we are going to use AI to help us create content for our website using a very specific framework. Let's do this. So I'm still going to use the Lime Slice as an example. The Lime Slice is a bar launch focused on the networking events to other entrepreneurs and business owners and anyone that would share this mindset. Being specific with our goals, we want to build a website. We want to know exactly what to write in that website. And then we can focus on choosing a template for the user interface. And then we can also choose the best images and take care of the branding and get the website completed. But the first step would be to know exactly what to write and how to structure the website. So I started by telling AI to act as an expert web designer and copywriter. Then I specified using a PAS framework, problem, agitate, solution, help me build a website structure and content. So I'm being very specific on how it should act and what is that I want and what to use. So I'm framing as much as I can this conversation. I then tell what my business is, the Lime Slice, local networking and bar launch in Margate. So also mention the location. Then I say what is my niche, be as specific as you can, as always. I'm giving it a very clear description about my audience and my niche. Next step would be to tell it what my products are and also describing a bit further what my ideal client is to make sure we cover all the corners. Then at the end, why not? Is there anything else you should know before we start? So in terms of products, I say we have memberships for exclusive access to our launch where they can work individually in a team or just do networking. Also having exclusive access to networking events. We also have a bar and restaurant where they can have lunch, dinner, or just join Friday and Saturday special events with both private and public access. My ideal client believes in the power of networking, likes to work in a lounge space with a cozy and modern environment, and be served by very nice people. They look forward to find new opportunities both personally and professionally. So when it comes to you, try to specify as much as you can what your business is, describe your mission, your values, why you are doing it if you need. It will help. Tell the AI what your products or services are and tell it as well what your audience and your niche is. Be as specific as you can, because when you're trying to market to everyone, you will actually reach no one. Just as a note, I'm using ChatGPT 3.5, so you can use it as well. It's the free version. The answer it gave me was quite good. So it gave me a homepage, a membership page, events page, and about us page, and also a contact page. So those are the pages that you need to build your website structure. So 5 pages. And then it tells us what to write, what to use as a headline, then introduction, short paragraph, then a problem, the agitate section, and the solution section. There is no call to action, no specific call to action. We are going to fix this. No worries. Membership page, again, headline, introduction, problem, agitate, solution, events, same structure, about us page, same. Why? Because we clearly specified use the PAS framework. If you are just working on one web page and not on the entire website, you can then specify other frameworks or maybe tweak the content or based on your unique voice. Bear in mind that it's very important to use a copywriting framework because that's one of many ways to drive the audience through the customer's journey or the hero's journey to help them go from their pain or problem to the desired reality or wishes. And that's the solution. That's what we provide. We are in business of people, providing value and solving problems. So focusing now only on the home page, I see on the headline where networking meets comfort. In this case, my audience, they are not too concerned about comfort because comfort is already granted in my launch. So they are networking to get more productive, to increase visibility, to increase the quality of their work, the quality of their time, their lives, and create more opportunities, etc., etc. So I tweaked it. And I tell it, focusing only on the homepage, let's adapt the headline. It's more when networking meets productivity. The audience is not that much concerned about comfort. That is granted at the Lime Slice. Let's also add a call to action, something like click below to grow by joining this exclusive community. And then I specified specifically rewrite the homepage only. Don't give me information about any other pages. We are just working on the homepage. And here we have the adapted headline where networking ignites productivity. Maybe I would rephrase this with my own voice, but that's a good start. I have an introduction, a problem, agitating solution, call to action, ready to join this exclusive community and unlock full potential. Click below to grow with the Lime Slice. I might also rephrase this one when creating the website. But for now, here we already have a good start on how to structure our website, and we are now exploring how to improve our homepage. Now, from here, what you want to do is to find the best website builder you can use that will help you to create things faster. You have many options like Wix, Squarespace, WordPress. Those are the most common for small businesses. And so you just choose a template. You will have for sure a lot of templates available. You choose a template that best suits your vision and your business, and then you just change the content. You go ahead and change the images. You can reorder some sections. For example, I might first of all point out the problem, at least one of the problems, before doing the introduction. I will probably move the introduction below so that it will be between the problem and the agitate. For example, in a website, I could have my headline, fuel your success at the Lime Slice where networking ignites productivity. Are you tired of traditional office environments? Or do you crave community of like-minded individuals who understand the challenges and opportunities of entrepreneurship? So I would use the problem immediately because we just have a few seconds to catch the viewer's attention. And so if in those first 3 to 5 seconds we are not able to catch the viewer's attention, they're gone. So no point in talking about you because no one cares about you. That's one of the golden rules in marketing and in business. No one cares about you. They are too concerned about themselves and about solving their problems. One thing to bear in mind at all of the time is the WIIFM. What is it in it for me? So that's what the client is always thinking. You as well as a client, when you approach another business and when you see another website, you are just trying to see what's in it for you. So don't fall into the trap of building a website that only tells what you do, what your business is about, and how great you are, how many followers you have. No one cares. That's the truth. Make a website designed to your client, and that's it. Now, choose a template, change the text, then you can go ahead and think about the images and colors and branding and all of that jazz. For now, for the goal of this video, to write the content, those are the most important steps. And lastly, I also ask, just brainstorming, is there anything else you do differently? And actually, it suggested a few interesting things. Visual appeal, showcasing the atmosphere. So photos, great photos and videos of the Lime Slice, which I don't have. Testimonials, of course. You can then at the end, after this PAS, an introduction, you'll have a call to action. If they are still not convinced, then you add testimonials, another section below with testimonials and reviews. You add another call to action again. If they still are not convinced and committed, you can then increase the experience and keep upselling and trying to ABC, always be converting. So you can add more social proof, you can highlight unique offerings, and at this point, after each one of these extra points, you will add another call to action. So in the main homepage, you should have at least 3 call to actions, 3 buttons for them to click and buy your product, your service, your membership, whatever you're selling. Also to note, the homepage is also sometimes called the landing page, although there's a difference. A landing page can be built specifically for an ad campaign. So let's say you are running a campaign for a special event or a product. You will create a new web page for that specific campaign, and that page will be the landing page of all of your ads. So your ads will have a link to that landing page, right? So when you are building a campaign, you are not necessarily sharing the link of your home page, of your home website. People can check that later, right? The homepage is usually more used for Google Ads and SEO. When people search about what they want and what they need on Google, for example, or YouTube or any other search engine, they will be presented with a list of results with the most probable results. And if your business is one of them, and if you have enough reviews, you'll be at the top. We now have the basic ingredients to start building our website. Hope this helps. Feel free to ask me any questions below, and have a good one.